Hi, this is Rita and welcome back with another video WordPress tutorial. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a professional home page for free in Elementor for free. So let's start. First, you have to install an plugin with the name of header and footer builder. Okay, so then go to your pages and edit your page with the Elementor. Okay, first you have to do a setting, go in setting and do it Elementor with full width. Okay, so when you do that, as you do that, you show this one icon. You have to click on that and you click on pages. From here you will find a lot of professionally auto created home pages, another page. For example, category, you can select what type of page you want. Okay, from here you will get a lot of professional free pages. Okay, you can preview that. For example, you can preview this one. I see this one looks good. Okay, you can choose according to your choice what type of you want. What Okay, for this you have to be create some menu, some header. Okay, so create go in section and select a header according to your choice. You can also select any type of, like, I want to add this one, so I insert this. You will see it's appear like that, but there is no menu, so we have to create a menu. If you don't know how to create the menu, for that the link from the description, so you will know how to create this type of menu. Okay, okay, so now you want to create a page. Okay, so pick a page, home page. Okay, I choose this one, so I want this page, so I insert it. You can also live preview by clicking on live preview. Okay, from here you can see our page is now inserted, so you can see it's something more than good. Home page is created here. Okay, so if you want to preview for once, you can preview by clicking on update. When it's updated, don't forget to update because the changes is not saved. So let's preview. Okay, now you can see our home page is ready. Okay, as I scroll down, it comes like that. So animations, it's good. Okay, you can see how it's look. Okay, this one have no footer, so I'm gonna tell you how to add footer. Or if you don't know how to add footer or header, so watch my previous video, you will know how to customize header and footer. So for now I'm going to tell you how to add. Just click on that and go in sections and I want to add this one, so I insert it. Okay, if you want to customize anything, you have to just click on here and on that, on this side, on your left side, you can see the customize option is created. You can change their text, what, write your paragraph, you can add your picture. Okay, link your buttons, change the colors of the button. Okay, if you want. Okay, from here you can change the button color, style, whatever you want to. You can also link them, that buttons. Okay, so you can see button 1 option, link it. Button 2 option, link it. If you want to delete this, you can also delete. Okay, and this one you can also add according to your choice. Okay, so from here you can add according to your choice. Header icon, your whatever icon you want to add. You can, this also provided some free icons. Okay, this icon library have a lot of free icons, so you can choose from here also. Edit your or customize text according to your choice, add your images. Okay, and also customize this one, customize this all homepage according to your niche, according to your website, according to your topic. Let's update and have a look. Okay, after uh, update it, you can see how your page is work now. Okay, you can see now the footer is created here. You can also customize the footer. So from this method you can customize your website homepage professionally for free. You just have to upload it. You can also download the templates by going on Google, search for the free templates or homepage templates. You can insert the templates and you can use that templates. Okay, I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.